Hello viewers, welcome to Peniremit. In today's video series, we'll be walking you through on how you can fund your wallet on the Peniremit app. To do this, you'll be needing the Penny Wallet app and ensure your Penny Wallet is funded with the token you'd like to send to Peniremit. Let's get right into this video. First, you tap on the Peniremit app. This is the home page, and once you're in the home page, you tap on Fund Wallet. So here we can see different methods in which we can receive funds. You can receive funds into Peniremit in three ways. You can receive via the QR code, you can receive via your wallet address, or you can receive via your username. So if you have a sender that would like to transfer funds to you, you could share your QR code with the person, you can share your wallet address with the person, or if the person is a Peniremit user, you can share your username with the person. For this video demonstration, we'll be funding the Peniremit app using the wallet address. So we simply tap on copy here. Now you need to ensure that you only send Wikicat, USDC and USDT on the BEP20 BNB chain into the Peniremit app. As at the time of this video, no other token is being supported aside Wikicat token, USDC token and USDT token on the BEP20 BNB chain. If a sender is going to be transferring funds to you, ensure to let the person know to transfer either Wikicat, USDC or USDT on the BNB chain BEP20 network. So let's go right ahead to transfer funds into a Peniremit wallet. I already copied the address, so we head over to Penny Wallet app. So this is our Penny Wallet app, which has 171 million Wikicat tokens worth $17 and 50.6 USDT. For this demonstration, I'll be funding the Peniremit with the Theta USD. So you tap on Theta USD, you tap on send, then you paste the address and then you tap on continue. So you just continue and then you impute the amount that you'd like to send. For this demonstration, I would like to send $20. Okay, you tap on send, you tap on confirm, impute your passcode. Okay, and the transaction has been processed. So as you can see, the notification deposit received, your wallet has been credited. Alright, so we head back to the Peniremit app, we head back, you refresh this page, and as you can see, the crypto deposit is successful and we have 19.85 USDT credited. So while we're sending the USDT from the Penny Wallet into the Peniremit, Penny Wallet took out fees from USDT and hence we have 19.85 USDT credited into our Peniremit wallet. You can see our total balance is $19.85. However, if you'd like to view the balance in Naira, you can always tap on the icon at the top where we have USDT and NGN. You just tap on NGN and then it converts the USDT to the Naira equivalent. So I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section and rest assured a team member will respond to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.